Let's take a look at how we can use user input in Tracy programs. In this example, we want Tracy to draw the same line with hash marks as in the last lesson, but this time we want to ask the user for the thickness of the marks and what color each mark should be. We already have much of our code written from the last lesson, but we need to include some user input. Let's first tackle the pen size. After Tracy gets to the starting position, I'll add in a call for user input. I'll save their input as a variable named mark thickness. And I need to use their answer as a number, so I'll write int input what is the thickness of the marks? 1 to 20. I added in a range of numbers so the user knows what I'm expecting. I also added in a space before my last quotation mark. This is so that a space will exist between my text prompt and the user's answer. We want to use this thickness value to control the pen size of the hash marks in my function. So I'll write pen size mark thickness. And at the end of the hash marks, I want her to change her pen size back to 1. I also need to ask the user for a color before I call my draw hash mark function each time the loop repeats. So let's write color choice equals input, because I don't need this to be a number. What color should this mark be? Now I want to change Tracy's color before she draws the mark. So I'm going to go to my function and write in color choice, and I want to change the color back to black before she draws the line again. Let's see if this works. Thickness of 15, let's say the first one should be red, blue, green, yellow. Awesome. Now it's your turn to apply some user input in your Tracy programs.